It's Summerween.
Tears falling down at the party. Saddest little baby in the room. Fears, tell me fears, don't get me started.
Let's bake some cookies. They're just gonna be like very basic. Very basic sugar cookies. I would be more original, but I probably should have found the recipe in like a cookbook before I started filming, but I'm not smart. We have a cookbook somewhere with my grandma's cookie recipe, which is delicious, and I know we have the ingredients. I just don't know where. I didn't know this had sour cream. Oh my god, do you have butter? No, it didn't. 1 cup of butter. I overcooked it a little bit, but that shouldn't be too bad. We need 2 cups of sugar. Would probably be smart to preheat the oven. 1 cup of sour cream. Gross. 3 eggs. Ow. 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 My hands smell like sour cream. 1 teaspoon baking soda. 1 extract. 6 to 7 cups of flour. The full 1 cups are dirty. So I'm using half a cup, which means I have to do like 12 of these. So, 1. Okay, we're out of flour. We have a little bit left. It's 7, right? And I need to get to 12. If you're not feeding like a ton of people with these, then I recommend having it at least, because this is a lot. Make some flour and sprinkle it on your countertop. I can't tilt this because it's being balanced on a paper towel roll, which is also why I'm not in frame most of the time. I'll just put you guys back. Oh, good. That's how much dough I have. I don't want to make a lot of cookies right now. That's what we're working with. Most of it's, like I said, in the freezer, so. More flour. Put it on your rolling pin. Just, wow, this does not want to stay together. Hey, editing Finn here. I'm sick. I'm pretty sure that melting the butter ended up ruining the rest of the recipe. So don't do that. Yeah, that just totally fell apart. 8 to 10 minutes, alright. Cookies are done baking, and I can confidently say they look like shit. While they're cooling off, I'm gonna make frosting. We'll see how that goes. You need half a stick of butter, 8 ounces of cream cheese, and powdered sugar. And once again, we are out of whole cups, so I'm using half a cup. So 6 of these, so that equals 3 cups. Half a stick melted butter. The cream cheese is usually supposed to be at room temperature so that you can, mix it. But I'm stupid and didn't put it out. So now it's really hard. Now I'm gonna, in another bowl, dye half of it orange for the pumpkins and then leave half of it white for the ghosts. Orange. It'll be a light orange. Soft pumpkins. To be honest, totally honest with you guys, and you probably know this if you're watching. I'm probably not gonna get this video out on June 22nd, which is Summerween, just because I'm filming it on June 22nd. Hey, editing Finn again. I literally don't know where the rest of the footage went. It's just gone. I checked every Google Drive I had. I went through every trash can I could. I searched everywhere. It's just gone. So anyways, here's a picture of the cookies. Happy Halloween!